Hello, have you ever wondered looking at your face in the mirror? When did these lines come from? Well, you're not alone. Today we are talking about the most popular anti-aging treatment in the world, that is botulinum toxin or Botox. When you are in your 30s, 40s or even 50s, so probably you heard about the name. But to debunk it, I am Dr. Sandeep to explain about botulinum toxin, well known as Botox treatment for fine lines and anti-aging treatment worldwide. Where is Botox usually used on the face? Botox is most commonly used on the forehead, those horizontal lines that shows up when we raise our eyebrows. It's also done in between the eyebrows when you try to frown, and also around the crow's feet when you tend to smile. Botox doesn't freeze your face, it just softens expression so you look natural, just more refreshed, and has an anti-aging effect. Who can get Botox and when we can start? Botox isn't just for older folks. People in their late 20s and even early 30s sometimes use to prevent fine lines, wrinkles. We call it a baby Botox. If you are already noticing fine lines, dynamic lines, then it's a good time to consider Botox. But remember, it's not about the age, it is about your skin and your goals, how to refreshen your skin and make it look healthy, refreshed and young. Does Botox hurt? What's the procedure like? Honestly speaking, most people say it feels like a quick mosquito bite. The procedure takes around 10 to 15 minutes. No cuts, no stitches, and you can walk out of the clinic and go out and resume your day. Just avoid heavy workouts, any deep facials, and lying down for a few hours. Is Botox a filler? A lot of people get confused between Botox and fillers. Botox relaxes muscle, while fillers add volume. So if you are getting wrinkles caused by movements like frown lines, Botox is your go-to. But if you are looking to plump up your cheeks or lips, then fillers come in. The actual use depends on individual skin needs. How long does Botox effect last? It's a usual question. Once you get your Botox shots, the effect kickstarts within 3 to 7 days and usually lasts for 6 to 8 months. After that, the muscle activity slowly returns and the fine lines must start to reappear after 6 to 8 months. So if you want to maintain the smoother look, you need to top up at least 2 times a year. The good news is, with regular treatments, your fine lines and wrinkles may become softer over time. Is Botox safe? Absolutely. Botox has been used for several decades, not just for beauty, but even for medical conditions like migraines and muscle spasms. At our Derma Solutions Clinic in Bangalore, we use US FDA approved botulinum toxin, that is Botox, and is always done by expert dermatologists. As long as it is done by the right hands, it is very safe, effective, totally worth it without any kind of side. So what is the conclusion we derived out of Botox treatment? Botox treatment can help you feel rejuvenated, more confident, natural looking, refreshed without fine lines and wrinkles. And it is done in such a way that it doesn't freeze your face. So be sure to consult with a qualified dermatologist before going through the procedure itself. So Botox is an essential and a good treatment if you are looking for first-hand anti-aging treatment.